This is a brand new 2013 Toyota Venza. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, an iPod-ready stereo system so you can take your music with you, big 19-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, a CD player, performance tires, a rear spoiler, a passenger side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.